description down below.
So we're making fluffy slime, so we got our new shaving cream.
That's good.
A lot. Because we're making fluffy slime. It's gonna get
Yeah,
big.
Kayla.
It's gonna get big. Yes, Celia. It's good. Alrighty. Hi, Dad.
That's enough.
Okay, first we're gonna add our coloring. I'm doing like I'm gonna try mixing red and yellow. Hopefully I get orange. Actually, I think we have orange. Give me a second. Okay, so we're just mixing. Can you do this one? Yeah, me too. Alright. I want to do... Alright, so I got my kind of yellow color. It's like greenish.
Shout out to Emma Cavorti.
Yeah, but we needed to give shout outs. Okay.
Shout out to me too. Yeah, our special guest today. Obviously the best one.
No.
Also, check out our other video that we just did, our super sour challenge.
Taste testing challenge.
On
Get it right.
TV. Yeah, testing.
Okay, so this is how it turned out.
I'm going for a really
What the
light
heck?
color.
Wait. What color is that?
I made it yellow.
You made it.
You made it yellow. Okay, so I'm going for a really.
You can see that? But it's a
Kayla dropped her spoon.
technical difficulty.
Okay. I'm gonna start activating. Where's the activator?
Don't tell me we ran out. What? No. Nothing happening. But it can. Alright, I'll be back.
As we mix our slime. What do you want to talk about, guys?
My TikTok's pretty cool. You should go check it out.
Link in the description.
Aha! Problem solved. There we go. Go get the gold, Haley.
Mine's chunky.
Mine's
because you're
chocolatey.
What?
Because you're activating. So I went for like a sky blue. So I got this light blue. I used a dark blue and another light blue. And obviously shaving cream. Oh, there's that mine. Can't wait to add this one to my slime collection because I do not have this one yet. Alright, I'm going to start activating also. Little by little is the key.
Chunky.
That's because you're activating. So it's going to be stringy and it's going to be chunky.
But then when it turns out, it's gonna be good.
It's good time. Alright, I'm going to roll my sleeve because I don't want to get that all messy.
That's why I took my sweatshirt off, which is a very good sweatshirt.
And you actually used your brain this time and took it off.
Mine's turning out pretty good, guys.
I'm still mixing. I haven't activated mine at all yet. So she went for like a bronze color
kind of.
I did
What it looks
not.
like? I went for the exact color that I'm doing right now.
I went for a sky blue, which I pretty much got by using this
Yes.
awesome. Guys, comment down below what type of slime you've ever made, and comment down below your favorite slime.
Or comment if you even like slime or not.
Yeah.
I'm really excited that I made this sky blue because I don't have this one in my collection. I'll show you the ones I have in my collection if you guys don't believe me. A few of these were on our videos that I did makeovers to. This white one, the green one. I did a peach. I did a mint. And I did a pink and a purple. So as you see, I do not done a sky blue. And I'm trying to get like the rainbow in. So the sky blues and I'll put these back now. Blue.
I'll put them back in the drawer. I have so much glue on my hand.
There's so much glue in my bucket.
No, this is just dry shaving cream actually that's on my hand. That's like dry shaving cream. And then we have our containers over there. We like using mason jars because they seal tight, and then your slime doesn't dry out. Because when I use bags, sometimes I get like holes in it, and then there's one spot's hard, and then I take it out, and it just all comes out with it. And it's really annoying. So I like using mason jars, like you saw on all my other slimes. What are you doing? Kayla, you used the rest of all the glue. That was the whole thing.
Yeah, the other day.
That was actually brand new. You know what? I'm gonna use some of this because I need a little more. We have a bunch of these, luckily too. Like we have a few of those and some of these. And we buy so many shaving creams because we go through them all at the time. I like rubbing it and then I like poking it. That sounds really cool. Why'd you add so much though?
Because I can. Haley.
Sealing them. Oh, there's so much glue. Look at that. It's a lot. Like I like rubbing it like this, and then like poking it, because then when I have leftovers on my hand of the glue, I like peeling it off once it dries.
I'm happy with this color. I don't have green yet.
Yes, you do.
I don't. I have yellow and a blue.
Did you actually have glue? Alright, now I need to add more activator. Yes, you can. I think paint's the easiest to work with when it comes to slime because it mixes in really easy. Mine's gonna be sparkly. Oh my god, look at my hand. It matches my slime. Now it's definitely gonna be a little sticky. This is gonna be pretty.
I'm not too disappointed with this color.
I am.
I'm disappointed that there's hair in my slime.
Because it's yours. like the slime. It's awesome slime. That's fun. I do like it. Oh my god, now the glitter will hit them. So now I got those big ones.
Do you want to see how fast they can hit the subscribe button? Want to count down from 5?
Yeah.
Alright, how fast can you guys
Hit the
subscribe to
subscribe
our channel?
button.
We're going to give you 5 seconds.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, done! If you did it, great.
Comment down below if you did.
Your shadows.
But we're picking 3 people from the comment section below, so you better do it quickly.
And if there's a lot of people, we might have to give you guys different shadows and different videos. So sorry if we don't get to do you in our next video.
Alright, you guys, so let's start over there our slimes. Mine, so big. And it's pretty stretchy. I have activated it a little bit so I'm not motion. But other than that, it's pretty nice. My turn! Okay, so my color is pretty much how I planned it to be. And it's super stretchy, really soft, and like do a lot with it. It's pretty sticky too, but might need to activate it just a little bit more.
Okay, my turn. This is my slime. Here, I'll come over here. So this is my slime. I have like a sky blue. See?
No,
Sky blue. And I have some like a glitter in it from some paint. And it's really nice. Nice, stretchy, fluffy, and pokeable. See?
I like this one.
It's a little, oh, that's actually not hard at all.
Hers hard.
Yeah.
Oh my god. She actually used too much shaving cream.
Yeah. Made mine fluffy.
Okay, I'm gonna put mine in the jar now.
Mine's not gonna fit in the jar.
Yeah, no. Yours.
I'm gonna put mine in the jar.
Well, let's see if it'll fit.
I think you can at least get like
Most of it.
yeah. I'm gonna break mine up, and then these are really big jars. Ew, Celia! Celia's disgusting.
No, you.
It only fit half of it.
Oh my god, kid.
Hey guys, for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.
Slimes.
Mine is so big.
I literally have a full mason
Mine's in
jar,
here.
and then I still have like half left. Ooh. This shaving cream smells really good too. Alright, bye guys!